Hey guys, this is Taylor with Anita Good Design. Thanks for joining me. I wanted to take a second to bring you a little quick snippet of information about the All Access. Every month in that book, as you all know, it comes with tutorials in there, but there's much more in there. We add the content piece. And some people look over that, so I wanted to bring that to you and show that to you today. It is an exclusive for All Access. So there are tips and tricks in each magazine that we release each month. And it is things that we at Anita Good Design have learned over the years, and we want to share that with you. And it's from how we pick out our fabrics and threads. We get that question all of the time. How do we prevent puckering? How do you hoop for the best results? And tons of different things. All right. So we want to share that with you, and we do that by giving you exclusive content each month in the All Access. As an example, I'm going to bring you and show you for August 2020. We're going to use 2 releases out of this magazine. It is going to be a quilting collection called the Butterfly Simplicity Quilt. And then we're also going to use an embroidered collection called the Chrysalis Applique. So we're going to take those 2. And again, this is just an example of some of this month's exclusive content. And it's how to merge, how to take 2 different designs and put them together. Okay, and we also have, as another example here, how to take an embroidered collection and put that into a quilt block. So again, tons and tons of exclusive, information and tips and tricks that we only put in this beautiful All Access magazine. Thanks for joining.